Hello, I am Mrs. Anjanee Singh, Principal of the Konark Academy, Ladwa, Kurukshetra. On this special occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to each one of you with the support of Studybase. Your hard work and dedication is what drives our students towards success. In this digital age, technology has come to play a vital role in shaping our country's future. That is why we have teamed up with Studybase to enhance our educational journey. Studybase equips teachers with innovative tools and resources to refine their teaching methods and supports students' achievement. Wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day and offering our sincere gratitude. Thank you.